Here we go, 3S. It's been a while since I brought this thing out here because it was broken. But, oh jeez. It's really not made for this type of terrain. And with the wind coming right towards me, I'm going to go home with a stomach full of dust. All my lungs. Still doesn't do too bad. I mean, the grass is shorter this time around than it was when I brought it out here on 2S. This just, it's crazy power. 2S is more than enough. But on 3S it's just insanity. Alright, let's take it on some jumps. Woo. Can we even line it up? It's so windy. This thing's out of control. Oh my god. It's a little bit nuts. It's alive. My goodness. Okay, can we line it up? Can we line it up? Can we line it up? Yeah, I think 3S should be really used for speed runs or some really smooth track work. This thing will do a backflip. Yes, let's go. Twice, so no one thinks, oh no, we've got crunch time. We've got crunchies. Make sure there's nothing. Oh yeah, nah. Oh, that sounds awful. All right, well, it's kind of still driving. Let's go on the big one. See what else we can smash up. I do have some spare gears at home, so I can fix it. But I want to see if I can at least launch it once. So maybe don't do backflips with this. It just gets unsettled too easy. So tiny. With one of the divs screaming mercy, it still manages a backflip off the middle jump here. Oh, landed a double, only just. Oh no, okay. I think it's time to call it quits. It just sounds too awful. Yeah, man, what do you expect? I mean, on 3S doing what I was doing. Oh, and I've smashed up one of my tires too. Look at that. The foam is completely ripped off there, I think. Is it just unglued? It might just be unglued actually. So that's very fixable. That's not the end of the world. I thought it was torn, but it's fine. So yeah, all right, let's call it quits. Whoops. We'll end this one here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next time.